Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable emojis on Discord mobile. So let's jump right into it. Now when you go to Discord and then try to send a emoji like this with text, it will be transformed into an emoji just like that. And if you want to disable that, just follow up with me. Go to the website version of Discord. So you have to go to the browser and go to discord.com. And then make sure that you are on the desktop site. Here it is. After that, go ahead and tap on Open Discord. Just wait for a few seconds. Now, if you are not logged in, just log in quickly and follow up with me. Since I am logged in, when the website loads up fully, just tap on the gear button on the bottom right here. That will take you to settings. Once you're there, find text and images right here, tap on it, and then look for automatically convert emotions in your messages to emojis, and then tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off, and that will disable emojis on Discord. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos, and thank you for watching.